Greetings. This is Professor Harishandra Higginsbottom transmitting from the archives of the Wayp. Year 9595, across the space-time synchrony, where all moments coexist. I speak to you from your future, and of my past. We have studied the age you now inhabit, the turning point of the Earth. What follows is a recovered record, one of many chronicles that speak of the world as it was, and what it might still become. In the early 21st century, humanity stood upon a mountaintop of wealth, unprecedented, unimaginable, and largely unearned. Unearned, for it had been inherited from the countless generations that went before, only theirs. With that wealth they were offered a choice. This is the history of missed opportunities, roads not taken, what the people of your time could have done to save the planet but failed to. They could have healed the world. The numbers were plain. To cleanse their skies, protect their forests, revive their oceans, it would have cost but a sliver, 6 to 10% of their global GDP, far less than what they spent on war, or on vanity, or on the manufacture of plastic gewgaws, as if they threw a lavish banquet and refused Mother Nature even a crumb of all they had. Instead, they of the United States even tried to erase the very law that named carbon a threat. But what they feared to spend in coin, they paid tenfold in consequence. By 2100, the bill for their inaction came due, in floods, in fires, in famine, in the collapse of systems too fragile to withstand such stubbornness. And so, as Joni Mitchell once sang, they paved paradise and put up a parking lot, not once but again and again. The garden was not lost in an instant. It was sold off, subdivided, and finally incinerated. They were not poor, they were not powerless, they were not unaware. They simply chose, and chose poorly. Thus ended the age of plenty. Thus began the age of ash. When the world burned, only one sanctuary remained, the way up, high in the ancient lands once known as Antarctica. There the children of the mother still breathe clean air and drink true water. They are few, but they remember. Read about the world to come, the chronicle of the future foretold, in The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn.